Ever scratched your head, wondering why on earth the South Sudanese and Sudanese folks are head over heels for okra, or as some call it, ladies' fingers? It's like they're in a serious relationship with this unassuming veggie. But hey, there's more to okra than meets the eye. It's not just some random veggie in South Sudan and Sudan. It's like the James Bond of their culinary world. The mystery behind its popularity isn't too hard to crack. It's all about the distinct taste, mushy texture, and the bundle of benefits it brings along. It fits into any dish like that one friend who can mingle with at a party. Stews, fries, pickles, grills, you name it, okra's got it covered. You might even say okra has an identity crisis. It doesn't know whether it's a veggie or a secret sauce. The classic dish, bamia, is actually okra in Arabic language, which can't do without. It's like the bread to its butter, or the rice to its curry. Some folks might find the slimy texture of okra a bit weird. It's like eating version of jelly. But believe it or not, it's this very texture that makes okra the superstar of the soup world. It's like okra's got superpower to thicken things up, giving your soup the perfect consistency. And let's face it, who doesn't like a good old okra? It's not just a yummy in your tummy, it's a powerhouse of health too. This humble green pod is low on calories but high on fiber, making it your tummy's best friend. And guess what? It's also packed with vitamins A, C and K, and throws in some super cool antioxidants that act like tiny bodyguards against cell damage. Talk about a veggie superhero hiding in your fridge. Furthermore, it's generous with folate, a nutrient that has a VIP pass in baby making okra the perfect for mums to be. But wait, there's more. Okra is like a magnesium magnet. Why does that matter? Because magnesium is the cool guy behind over 300 biochemical party tricks in our bodies. From keeping your heart beating to the right rhythm to strengthening your bones, magnesium's got you covered. So okra isn't just a kitchen superstar, it's a stealthy health ninja doing somersaults in your gut. Now how's that for a green pod with a mean, lean fighting machine routine? So here's the thing, okra is like the superhero of the kitchen and the health guru we all need. Just ask folks from South Sudan and Sudan. They totally get it. This green crunchy dude can whip up a storm in the kitchen while also doing wonders for your health. It's like having a personal trainer and a gourmet chef rolled into one. Can you beat that? So the love for okra in South Sudan and Sudan isn't just about good old tradition. It's mouth-watering flavor and awesome nutrition. It's their way of saying, hey, we know what's up with this veggie. It's not just tasty, it's also a ticket to Healthville. So the next time you bump into okra, remember, it ain't just a veggie. It's a tradition, an invigorator, and a kitchen hero loved by foodies all over the planet. And if you're still wondering what's so great about okra, just remember that being slimy has never looked so good.